Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach. I hope you're really well today. Right here you can get a better British accent. Today we're looking at days of the week. Thursday. So we're going to look at each individual day and how to pronounce it, okay? Let's start on Monday. Monday. So it's a sound. Monday. The next day is Tuesday. Tuesday. Ch. And the vowel sound is an oo. So it's Tuesday. Okay, the next one is, now this has got a silent letter in it in the middle. As you probably remember, it is Wednesday. Wednesday. Now the D or the D is completely silent in the word Wednesday. So we don't say Wednesday, we say Wednesday. And the vowel sound is we, The next one is a th sound to start with. So it's Thursday. Thursday. And the vowel sound is Thursday. Next we have Friday. Friday. So it starts with fr and the vowel sound is I. The next one is Saturday. Saturday. Now it's not Saturday, it's Saturday. And the last one is Sunday. Sunday. So it's a s and a sound. Sunday. So let's go through them again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And that is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial on the days of the week, and please subscribe to my channel if you want pronunciation and accent videos. And why not comment in the comments below which day of the week do you find hardest to pronounce. So all I have to do now is to say stay connected and over and out. Bye.